Want your laundry to smell and look great every time? Follow these 3 simple tips. Tip number 1. First, clean your detergent dispenser regularly. Over time, detergent and fabric softener can build up, causing unpleasant odors and residue on your clothes. Simply remove the dispenser, rinse it under warm water, and scrub away any residue. Tip number 2. Don't forget to clean your washer filter. A clogged filter can reduce your machine's efficiency and leave your clothes less clean. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom front of the washer, remove it, and rinse it thoroughly to get rid of lint and debris. Tip number 3. Lastly, run a cycle with hot water and baking soda. This helps to deep clean your machine and eliminate any lingering odors. Add half a cup of baking soda to the drum, set your washer to the hottest cycle, and let it work its magic. If you're looking for a new washer or other home appliances, visit townappliance.com and let our experts guide you to your dream home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights.